XCN price prediction. In the last video, I warned you that we'll have a dip for a few days. I didn't expect such a huge dip. Right now, Solana is getting crushed in minutes. It just crashed like 5%. That's a flash crash. Wow. And the only coin we hold right now, like the only coin we have in the signals chat is this, and it's a meme coin that we bought just now, Sam. I'm amazed that we managed to basically 2 days ago we were right here, and I said, or 3 days ago when I recorded this, I said we'll have 2 or 3 days of dumping, and we have dump after dump. And I'm not sure it's a good idea to start buying like ASAP. What I would wait for is, ideally, is for these shorts to start closing, because we have a massive amount of shorts that have been being opened since right here. As you can see right here on the 3-hour chart, everything is dipping very, very strong. So I think a very good idea right here would be to basically wait for shorts to start closing on H3 on the 3-hour chart, and we can, someone liked my tweet about Sam bought the Sam dip right here. I know Sam will dip because Solana is just getting crashed, but we bought it at a pretty good price. We bought it here, which is not bad at all. Look, it's basically right here. So a very small pump will get us. Sam crashed less than Solana in the last few minutes. So yeah, we wait for this, so then we can buy. Obviously, this video is no financial advice. If you want to learn more about my trades, I'll have links in the description down below. We're up how much on meme coins, and I'm testing a few things. So I'm trading with less size now, with 274 grand on BOOX. And I'll have links in the description down below if you want to learn more from my course or signals chat, if you want to follow every single trade. And also, in the link in the description down below, I'll have some links for Bing X, where you can claim 8 grand worth of bonuses. I'll make another video tomorrow if you're interested. Just let me know. But yeah, we're getting a massive dip. I'll see if I am interested in buying something. I'll go through as many coins as possible. So I'll be recording a few videos right now. See you next video. Bye.